Smart cities leverages the technology to give a better life support to the citizens, and the Internet of Things is something which help us to enable these smart cities. Good evening, everyone. My name is Ankit Singh, student of BE Computer Science and Engineering, and today we are going to discuss about the smart cities and the Internet of Things, which I have taken the reference from a research paper. So here's the abstract of the research paper, and this is the smart city initiatives. The increasing pressure for the efficient city management has driven the government and the private businesses to invest in information communication technologies to find sustainable solutions for urban change challenges like waste management. So first we are going to discuss about this smart city initiative, why we uh, need this and all. So, and there will be a definition and characteristics for that. The researchers have worked on defining and identifying the characteristics of the smart cities, which aim to improve the quality and services for the citizens by integrating modern technologies. After that, we are going to see what is the role of IoT in this. So, as we all know that the IoT is something which actually gonna implement these smart cities. So we're gonna see this role of IoT. So first we're going to know about what is smart cities. So the cities and urban areas host about half of the world's population, creating pressure on the city services. And the smart cities aim to improve the quality of life and efficiency of the services through IoT innovations. So the challenges includes the waste management, traffic, energy, unemployment, and crimes. So the government and the private sector deploy these technology for the sustainable urban development. So, how this smart city concept emerged? The term smart cities were first emerged into the 1990s, focusing on this ICT in cities planning. So, early efforts were in the California, focused on how city could be implemented within through information technologies. Researchers critique the term as being technical, asking for the practical implementation. So, in the return of that, these smart cities combine the physical infrastructure, IT systems, and the social infrastructure. So, these are the some key aspects and the characteristics of the smart cities. So the smart economy, which includes the innovation, entrepreneurship, and the productivity. Second one is smart people. They will get educated, creative, and the social capital. And the smart governance, the citizen engagement, digital services, policies, transparency, which helps to know the citizen what is going through the passing through the government, and government will get to know that our citizens are very happy. And after that, the smart mobility, which means the integrated transport system, sustainable logistics, and the intelligent infrastructure, which includes these actually help us to give the sustainable development in which we are saving the present resources so that our future generation could enjoy the same environment. So these are the components of the smart cities, which includes the smart environment, sustainability, efficient energy usage, and the green spaces. And the second one is the smart living, improve healthcare, education, security, IoT will, and the smart cities will help us to achieve these things. In addition, integration ICT across subsystems like energy, healthcare is very critical. So the smart city aims to for sustainable livability and by optimizing these resource usage. So the smart city architecture, we will see in the next slide that how it actually looks like in the diagrammatic form. Now first we will see this in this form. So the perception layer, first one we will gonna collect the data, and first we have to communicate that somewhere. They and the place we will collect it, and we will analyze the data, and which will help us to make the decisions in the uh, public welfare. So first one is the perception layer where we are collecting the data through cameras, GPS, and RFID. And then there is a network layer which is actually transmitting that data from one place to another. And there will be an application layer which is very specific to just their domains only. That's why it's an application layer. So it analyzes the data for intelligent decision making and services. And moreover, the efficient data management is essential to transform the raw data into the actionable insights. So here's the diagrammatic representation of the same which we have explained in the previous slide. So then now we are going to see what is the role of IoT in the smart cities. So the IoT connects the various city infrastructures like transportation, powers, and the buildings. So the sensors collect the real-time data and objects and the systems within the city. Then IoT enables smart cities function dynamically, optimizing the services and resources. The relationship between the IoT and the smart cities is evolving towards the greater integration. So here's a case study about Los Angeles, which has implemented the smart city systems, which is named as My 311 for the citizens. So there will be one Geo Hub, which provides an advanced analytics for the better urban planning. CityLink LA means CityLink Los Angeles and has the telecommunication infrastructure for better connectivity. The mayor's dashboard tracks the sustainability and the performance, ensuring the transparency. So there will be one the mayor in the Los Angeles, which is monitoring everything within its table only, and he can see what is the analytics going on in my city, and that telecommunication infrastructure, whatever the connectivity, if there is any issue or something, he will rectify it directly. So it's more likely to be efficient. So here's the challenges in building smart cities. Managing the large scale multi-source urban data is complex and requires robust solutions. So the integration of IoT and smart city system raises the privacy and the data security concerns. It is one of the major drawback of the IoT that we are actually sharing the public data to the third person. So and the real-time data updates, historical reconstructions, and the future predictions remain difficult. Still, we are not in that phase that our machine learning algorithms or something can predict the future. So still it will be machines are in the learning phase only. So we cannot say that the machine or that internet of thing application will work in the same way which we require. So the legal frameworks and policies are needed for the effective information sharing across the sectors. So here's the future of waste management in smart cities. The waste management involves the collection, transportation, processing, and the disposal. And the IoT sensing optimize the waste collection by monitoring the garbage levels in the real time. And the collaboration between the city councils, recycling companies, and the health authorities is vital. So the shared infrastructure and collaborative data sensing can reduce the cost and improve the efficiency. So this we come to the end where we're gonna see that what is the conclusion we derive from the research paper. That is, the smart cities are the future of sustainable urban living. Even though some of the people may be denying this is smart cities, but we can say that the smart cities are the future of the world. And the managing the large data sheet is crucial in strategic decision making in the cities. And the challenges include job displacement, privacy concerns, and the trustworthiness of the data. And the government must ensure the smart city technology must benefit every citizens. So here's the research paper details which I have taken. The title of the paper was the smart cities and the internet of things, which was the same title of our presentation also. And the subtitling was understanding is the for the future of the urban living. And the author was the H. Samay and the Egyptian. He is from the Egyptian E-Learning University (ELU). And the paper was published in the Journal of Information Technology, Case and Application Research in 2019. So these are references. And so thank you everyone. We are going to meet in the next video.